Okay, guys. Hello. Welcome to Always Audrea. I'm Audrea. This came about a half an hour ago. And I ordered today's Sunday, and I ordered it off of AliExpress Friday. I can't believe it got here this fast. Sorry, I heard something. So we're going to test these out. I saw these on Lindsay the Frugal Crafter. I think that's her channel. And I've debated for a couple weeks if I wanted to get them or not, and I did. And the time when she reviewed them, she got them for $30-something, and she said if you wanted to get them soon, because she felt like the price was going to go up, and they did. They went up to $50. So, yeah. But I got them anyway. It is the Lightwish Handmade Soft Pastels. Excuse me, allergies. 72 colors, super soft, strong coverage, heavy color. I gotta find my water. Of course, always have a throat problem when I start to record. Okay. And let's see. Nothing on the back. I'm just reading the front here. Okay. And it is for age 14 plus, so keep that in mind. So let's open these up. Probably not going to test every, well, maybe, I don't know, let's see. Maybe I will test every color. Maybe I will. I hope you're enjoying your Sunday. I have started doing nothing on Sundays except for fun stuff, I guess you'd call it. Relaxing and fun stuff. I make sure I get all my chores done on Friday night or Saturday. And it's made a world of difference in the Sunday blues. Seems to be better with keeping the Sabbath in mind. Okay. So I'm going to test them on this paper here. This is where I did art blindfolded. So that's a couple of videos down if you want to check that out. Just going to turn it over. Make sure I'm in the shot here. You know, sometimes when things come too fast, it's kind of disappointing because part of the excitement is looking forward to it. Like, ooh, is it, you know, looking forward to it, and they come too fast, and it's like, oh. But I'm still excited to have these. Opposite side. Okay, we have the foam. Oh, they're so pretty. Let me get my ruler here. We'll see how long they are. Get the right end of the ruler. Oh, for crying out loud. Okay. They're a little over 2 inches long and about a ½ inch diameter. So they're chunky. Okay, so let's pull one out that's easier to see. It has this name on it. Yuyi Artist Soft Pastel number 56. They are numbered. Okay. I'm not seeing anything on the box about light fastness. Oh, no, it says Lightwish. I was like getting all excited. Nothing on the packaging about light fastness, but just make sure you spray it with fixative. So we got some little handles here. Second box. So here's your first set of colors. You know what I like about these so far? Is they're not like bold in your face. Some of them are. They're just freaking ridiculous, colorful colors. They're nice and muted. Oh, we gotta test all of these out. I'm sorry. And let's go ahead and start that. These are so pretty. Okay. Now, they came very well protected from Lightwish. They were in a nice sturdy cardboard box. How can I do this? I don't know if you can see that or not, but we're going to start up here. And I start with one. Okay, they're not in numeric order, but they look like they're in good color order. Of course they're dusty because they're chalk pastels. They feel sturdy. I'll try to go a little fast here. They are smooth. They look like they have really good coverage. That's a nice color right there. I like that they're easy to hold. You know, they don't feel wimpy at all. Okay, I want to make sure that, you know, I don't get off screen here. Now, I will do a blending test, of course. And they do have a fair amount of yellow, which is always good. So I was looking to see if there was a white. There might be one in the other box here. They're a little dusty. I mean, like I said, you have to expect that with soft pastels. There's all kinds of different, you could do like landscape colors, seascape, portraits. Oh yeah, there's all kinds of great colors in here. They're not like Crayola colors, which is bright, circusy type looking colors. I like these. These are something you could actually use. Is that a black? That might be the black, or a Payne's gray, I don't know. Try to go a little faster. These are really nice. And I'll do a blend test here when I'm finished swatching them all. So what are you all up to today? Have these been on your wish list? If they have been, I would suggest getting them because they could possibly go up in price again. These are really, really nice. That's a nice yellow right there. A lot of nice cream colors. That's a chartreuse color. We're almost through with the first tray here, guys. And put it down in the comments if you like to see every color swatched, or if you just want if you just like seeing a couple of colors tested. Ooh. Sometimes I'm in the mood to see every one of them swatch, sometimes I'm not. Okay, there's the first tray. Tray number 2. And I do not create like swatch binders or swatch swatch sheets. I just don't do that. This looks like a cobalt blue or ultramarine blue. Oh, look at that. Okay, this is what I was thinking might have been white. It is. Okay. Looks like a grayish white. Going down here. Okay, there's a black. I think, no, maybe that might be a dark gray. There's a black. There's got, I think those are all dark gray so far. Yeah, that is a, you know what? If you're sensitive breathing stuff in, I'm usually not, but I'm getting a little choked up on these. Of course, I am going at them pretty hard and fast. That's what she said. But maybe you would wear a mask. Yeah. I love how, I don't want to say muted colors, but, and I keep saying this, but just like realistic art, professional art colors. You have to be less, yeah, the dust getting to me. They're less Ronald McDonald Play School Crayola preschool colors. They're more colors like for a professional artist. On the last row, some nice set of greens here. We had some greens previously, but these are more like natural colors. Oh, that's nice. That's like a really light lavender. And that's a periwinkle. 3 more left. And then we'll do a blending test. Okay, last one. Okay. A little bit messy. Of course, that's always to be expected with chalk pastels. Here are your colors. I'm hitting my paintbrushes. What do you think, guys? You like that set of colors? Yeah, I do. I like them. Okay, let's do a blending test here. Let's zoom in a little bit for you guys. Okay, now I have to move right here. Okay. I'm just going to use my finger here, light into dark. Oh, look at that. That is wonderful. Let's see if we can get, oh, excuse me. Is that in there? Yes. Okay. Well, let's see if we can like blend colors. Oh, look. Made green. Okay, let's do another one. Let's see if we can make red. No, I did that wrong. I did that wrong. See if we can make orange. Yep, sure can. Wow, guys, these are great. These are really nice. The only thing I would say that I'm disappointed in is I wish I could have got them at the 30-something dollar mark. I'm just trying to see if I can do, like, you can do little lines. I can color over top. Oh, these are going to be so much fun. I don't know what I'm doing now. Let's try that, let's try black with the white on top. Let's see if that works. Let's blend that in just a little bit. Oh, these are a dream. Oh, yeah, you can. Look at that. Oh, you can do all kinds of things with these. Make all kinds of paintings. This was a find, and I'm glad I got them. Like I said, I wish I would have acted sooner and got them at the $30 mark. See, let me zoom out. No, wrong way. Okay. If you're interested in these and you've been thinking about it and you've been on the fence, now's the time to get them. If you can find a deal, that's even better. I didn't have a deal at the time, but they seem to be going up in price. So that is a review on the 72 count Lightwish Handmade Soft Pastels. I give it a thumbs up, 10 out of 10. Thanks, guys, and have a great rest of your evening.